The world just entered a new phase of military power. The United States has officially tested a next-generation nuclear drone, an autonomous war machine designed to strike with unprecedented precision and devastating force. With global tensions already at a boiling point, this cutting-edge drone signals a massive shift in modern warfare, one that could push Russia and China to respond with their own technological advancements. Is this the beginning of a new arms race, or a strategic move to maintain global dominance? And more importantly, what happens when artificial intelligence and nuclear capabilities merge on the battlefield? Stay with us as we dive deep into the shocking reality behind this latest US military development and what it means for the balance of power across the world. Introduction to the US nuclear drone program. The United States has officially entered a new phase of military technology with the development and testing of its latest nuclear-capable drone. As global tensions continue to rise, particularly with Russia and China, this latest advancement signals a shift in modern warfare strategies. Unlike conventional drones, nuclear-powered and nuclear-capable drones offer extended operational capabilities, allowing for unprecedented endurance and lethality. This technological leap could redefine military engagement, deterrence, and global security in ways never seen before. The announcement of the US nuclear drone program has sparked widespread debate among military analysts, policymakers, and security experts. The ability to deploy a nuclear-capable drone raises questions about strategic stability, escalation risks, and international treaties, while some see it as a game-changer that strengthens US military dominance. Others warn of the potential consequences, including an accelerated arms race and increased risk of miscalculation. The evolution of nuclear-capable drones. Drones have evolved significantly over the past 2 decades, transforming from reconnaissance tools to fully operational combat assets. Early drones, such as the Predator and Reaper, focused on intelligence gathering and precision strikes. However, the latest nuclear drone introduces an entirely new dimension, potentially providing the US with unparalleled strategic advantages. These advancements come amid growing concerns about nuclear deterrence and the shifting balance of power among global superpowers. The US military has long explored nuclear-powered aircraft concepts, dating back to the Cold War. However, technical challenges and treaty obligations prevented their deployment. Now, with breakthroughs in miniaturized nuclear reactors and autonomous flight technologies, the dream of a long-endurance nuclear drone has become a reality. This marks a significant milestone in aerial warfare, as the new system is expected to outlast conventional drones by years, eliminating one of the biggest logistical hurdles: refueling. Capabilities of the US nuclear drone: extended range and endurance. Nuclear-powered drones represent a groundbreaking advancement in aerial technology, offering unprecedented endurance and operational capabilities. Unlike traditional drones that rely on limited fuel, nuclear-powered models can remain airborne for months or even years without refueling. This extended flight time revolutionizes surveillance and strike potential, allowing for continuous intelligence gathering and persistent military presence. Their ability to operate indefinitely makes them ideal for long-term deterrence missions, reducing the need for costly refueling operations or maintenance downtime. One of the key advantages of nuclear-powered drones is their ability to function in contested environments for extended periods. These drones can be deployed over adversary territories, monitoring enemy activities, gathering intelligence, and asserting aerial dominance without interruption. Their endurance allows them to respond rapidly to emerging threats, eliminating the need for supporting aircraft or refueling tankers. Additionally, their extended operational range enables strategic deployments to critical hotspots worldwide. Ultimately, nuclear-powered drones redefine modern aerial warfare, offering unmatched surveillance, deterrence, and rapid response capabilities that strengthen national security and military strategy. Stealth and tactical superiority. The latest nuclear drone incorporates cutting-edge stealth technology, making it nearly undetectable by enemy radar systems. This allows the US to conduct deep penetration missions into enemy airspace without triggering early warning systems. Furthermore, the drone's autonomous capabilities enable it to execute pre-programmed missions with minimal human intervention, reducing risks associated with manned aircraft operations. Modern warfare is increasingly reliant on stealth and electronic warfare capabilities. Nuclear-powered drones equipped with AI-driven evasion techniques could pose a significant challenge to existing air defense systems. These drones can also function as force multipliers, guiding other aerial assets toward optimal strike locations and disrupting enemy operations through electronic warfare tactics. Strategic Nuclear Delivery System. The primary concern surrounding this new drone is its potential role as a nuclear weapons delivery system. While conventional nuclear bombers and missile silos remain key elements of the US nuclear triad, drones equipped with nuclear warheads add an unpredictable element to global deterrence strategies. These drones could serve as first strike options or as a rapid response deterrent in the event of escalating conflicts. The mobility and unpredictability of nuclear drones make them a formidable component of deterrence. Unlike traditional nuclear bombers, which can be tracked via satellite, these drones can be deployed in unpredictable patterns, making countermeasures exceedingly difficult. They could also be used in tactical nuclear strike scenarios, providing military commanders with a flexible, rapid response nuclear capability. Implications for Russia and China. Strategic balance and arms race. The unveiling of the US nuclear-powered drone is set to escalate the ongoing arms race with Russia and China. Both nations have been heavily investing in advanced military technologies, including hypersonic missiles and AI-driven defense systems. The introduction of a nuclear-capable drone could push adversaries to accelerate their own drone programs, marking a new phase of military escalation. Russia and China have already voiced concerns over the potential deployment of these drones. Given their nuclear strategies, both nations may respond by developing counter-technologies, such as advanced anti-drone defenses, electronic warfare capabilities, and their own nuclear-powered drones. This could trigger a dangerous cycle of technological competition, increasing global tensions and destabilizing security. As military powers seek dominance in the skies, the risk of unintended conflicts may also rise. Threat perception and military countermeasures. From a strategic standpoint, Russia and China are expected to respond aggressively to the deployment of these nuclear drones. Moscow has already indicated that any nuclear-armed drone flying close to Russian airspace would be considered an immediate threat. Similarly, China's military doctrine emphasizes countering US technological dominance through asymmetric warfare tactics, including cyber attacks and anti-drone missile systems. Both countries have also intensified their research into hypersonic missile systems and directed energy weapons. These emerging technologies could play a crucial role in neutralizing US nuclear drones before they become fully operational. In the broader geopolitical landscape, the deployment of these drones might encourage stronger military cooperation between Russia and China as they seek to counterbalance US advancements. Technological and ethical concerns. The issue of autonomous decision-making in warfare, particularly concerning nuclear drones, raises profound ethical and security dilemmas. While the integration of AI technology can significantly improve operational efficiency, the prospect of these drones making independent decisions in nuclear strike scenarios is alarming. The possibility of an AI misjudgment leading to an unintended nuclear confrontation is a risk that cannot be overlooked. Experts caution that the removal of human oversight in critical life and death decisions could have dire consequences. Although AI systems can analyze vast datasets at remarkable speeds, they lack the ability to interpret complex geopolitical nuances, which could lead to disastrous miscalculations. The absence of established international regulations governing the use of AI in nuclear strategy further exacerbates these concerns, leaving a significant gap in accountability and oversight. in addition to the ethical implications. Cybersecurity vulnerabilities present another critical challenge in the realm of nuclear drones. As cyber warfare capabilities continue to evolve, there is a growing risk that adversaries may attempt to infiltrate and manipulate these advanced systems. If a nuclear drone were to fall into the wrong hands due to a successful cyber attack, the consequences could be catastrophic, potentially resulting in unauthorized nuclear strikes or espionage operations. In response to these threats, the Pentagon has made substantial investments in robust encryption and cybersecurity measures to safeguard against such breaches. Nevertheless, history has demonstrated that even the most fortified systems can be compromised. The looming threat of a cyber attack triggering a nuclear incident highlights the urgent need for comprehensive security protocols and multi-layered defense strategies to protect against these emerging risks. The future of nuclear drones in warfare. The evolution of artificial intelligence and drone technology is poised to significantly transform the landscape of military conflict, particularly in the realm of nuclear warfare. As these technologies progress, it is anticipated that future military operations will increasingly depend on unmanned systems designed for nuclear delivery. Countries are likely to pursue the integration of AI-driven decision-making processes into their nuclear strategies, which will add layers of complexity to the already intricate dynamics of global security. The combination of AI quantum computing and advanced drone capabilities is set to redefine military tactics, with future nuclear drones potentially utilizing swarm technology. This innovation would enable groups of drones to execute synchronized attack maneuvers, effectively overwhelming enemy defenses and altering the calculus of warfare. In light of these developments, the necessity for international dialogue and regulatory frameworks becomes paramount to prevent an unrestrained arms race. Collaborative diplomatic initiatives will be essential to establish comprehensive guidelines governing the deployment, transparency, and operational policies surrounding nuclear drones, thereby mitigating the risk of catastrophic miscalculations. The emergence of these advanced weapon systems may also reignite discussions surrounding arms control treaties, necessitating the formulation of new agreements aimed at curbing the proliferation of nuclear drones. Such treaties would be crucial in delineating clear boundaries regarding the use of these formidable technologies in combat scenarios, ensuring that nations engage in responsible practices that prioritize global stability and security. Closing scene. The U.S. testing of a new nuclear drone represents a significant shift in modern warfare, marking the beginning of a new era in strategic deterrence. While the technological advancements offer undeniable military advantages, they also pose grave security and ethical challenges. The world must prepare for the consequences of a rapidly evolving nuclear battlefield. As the dust settles from this groundbreaking test, one question remains: what happens next? The U.S. has taken a bold step forward in military innovation, but history has shown us that every action has a reaction. Russia and China have been rapidly developing their own advanced weapons, and with this latest test, tensions could escalate into an entirely new form of warfare, one driven by AI, precision strikes, and nuclear deterrence like we've never seen before. Are we looking at a technological arms race that could redefine global security? Or is this a necessary move to maintain peace through strength? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on the most powerful weapons shaping our world, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. This is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more.